I'm trying to install this Honeywell timer. The current light switch has a ground and yellow, black, and red wires. The Honeywell has black, white, and blue wires and no ground wire. Can I accomplish this?
Welcome. My name is would be glad to assist. What type of switch was originally at this location? Did it or does it have 3 large screws, 2 brass and 1 black or other color for wires and 1 ground? Or is it 2 large brass screws and 1 ground screw? Are there any other wires in the switch box besides the yellow, black and red? Maybe some in the rear of the box, connected together? Let me know and we can continue, thanks.
The current switch is installed with 1 screw on top and 1 screw on the bottom. On the left side of the switch is a green screw with a metal wire attached to it. The back of the switch has a red and black wire attached. Farther back there are white wires terminated together in a plastic cover, but do not seem to be connected to the on/off switch. Next to this switch is another switch for the overhead fan.
Okay, thanks for the information. Now, if you can please clarify on the switch wires? First you posted, the current light switch has a ground, and yellow, black, and red wires. Now you posted, the back of the switch has a red and black wire attached. Where did the yellow go? Can you also look at the black wire on the switch, see if it connects to other black wires in the box? Let me know, we are almost there with the information needed, thanks.
No yellow wire behind switch. Yes, the black wire terminates with other black wires in a plastic covering. Also, the red wire terminates with a black wire in a plastic covering.
Okay, thanks for the information. To install the Honeywell timer, connect the red wire from the old switch to the Honeywell blue wire. Connect the black wire from the old switch to the Honeywell black wire. Connect the Honeywell white wire to that group of white wires in the back of the switch box you saw that are all together under the plastic cap. Just add it to the group. Connect the ground wire to a screw on the box. If metal, if plastic, you will not use it, since the Honeywell timer has no ground screw that I see in the manual. Let me know how it goes, thanks.
Okay, I will try it and let you know. And yes, there is no place to put the ground wire on the Honeywell timer.
Okay, very good. Power off before installing, for safety.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.